So now we've got everything except we have to do the loop through and stop at a bad character, which is clean half. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to build a real quick clean half. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have to do the same thing to both of them. So there's no reason to repeat myself in code. It's going to take that string and it's going to, what we're doing here is this part. For each letter, if it's a valid character, add to a return string. If not, break the loop and return. Okay, so we're going to do that to each of these. Let's get down to clean half here. str half for str letter. Character is better, more accurate. In str half. Okay, so we want a return string. Start with nothing in it. And if str character is equal to, or let's just say is alpha, or alphanumeric, or str character equals, right? It can equal a dot, or str character can equal a hyphen, or str character can equal an underscore. If it's any of those. Okay, so that's a lot of ors, but if only one of them is true, then it will work. Then we take the str return and we add str character to that. Else, because as soon as we encounter a bad character, we want to break. We want to not bother going on that loop anymore. And then when the loop is done, either by break or otherwise, we're going to return that. Okay, so let's just test these components. If I copy that, the clean half should work. Print clean half. And then I'm just going to supply it that string to test it with, and it should print this without the trailing two characters. Okay, so that works. Excellent. Good. That's what I want.